am very happy to say that I am in Goa now. As the head of the state of the Goa, I would like to say, under the able dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Goa is a fast developing state. I am not going into the details, we are all enjoying it. Now, our state is now become small state in India. We are a small tiny state. But you see, Dabolim and new Manohar International Airport of Mopa, 2 airports. Through that airports, our development is, of course, in various walks of life, Goa is developing day by day.